When people think about the factory farming industry, they think about humans as being the main drivers of this industry. And they're right, but a huge segment of the population that is often overlooked are our pets. In the United States, 25% of the environmental impact of factory farming is directly attributed to the foods that Americans feed their cats and dogs. Pet food is made from something called 4D meat, which comes from animals that are dead, diseased, dying, and disabled. They come from factory farmed animals. There's also the issue of antibiotic use, as well as hormone use that goes into these factory farmed animals. So the food, the meat itself, is a very, very low quality meat. In the United States, pet food is a $30 billion industry, and that's continuing to grow. Pet parents see their animals as members of the family, whom they love and want to feed the highest quality nutrition that they would feed to their children. Cats and dogs, like all animals, need essential nutrients, not essential ingredients, in order to survive and to thrive. So these are our first products, Superfood Supplement, one for cats, one for dogs. They're made with a mineral-rich algae, an antioxidant-dense fruit and vegetable powders, and a probiotic that's been clinically shown to increase immunity and improve digestion. They are also in packages that are completely biodegradable. And in fact, inside here, even this plastic baggie it's compostable. Not just biodegradable, compostable. In addition to being nutritious, the food is also very tasty for the pets themselves. They need to enjoy, they need to love mealtime. So we work very hard to make food that is as tasty, if not tastier, than the foods that they are currently getting. By replacing animal-based pet foods with animal-free pet foods, we will be improving the lives of our own pets by providing safer, more nutritious foods. We will be, of course, improving the lives of the farmed animals themselves, and we will be improving our own lives by increasing the sustainability of our planet.